guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you tips on how to farm for money. My first tip is if you do not have walk speed, I recommend you get it. And also, we'll have a pose that puts you on the ground. You get money from getting high up in the leaderboard. Try to get podium. Just try to do it. You'll get cash from it. That's another tip. And I recommend doing this in any of the servers. Whether it's VIP or whether it's VIP or anything. Or anything like that. I also recommend, and if you don't really, and also if you're desperate to get it, go into the poses, at least one of the poses I showed you, and just pick up the stuff. Near the end, do try to put something on. Okay, yeah, so I got third place, which means I got $55 more. So you guys do the hobby. Really just do the same thing I did, but put a teeny bit more effort into your outfit. Because this time if you don't put effort into your outfit, you will not win. The opposite will happen. You will lose. If it looks like you're not putting effort into your outfit. Pick up the money in the outside area because people are going to be mostly in the VIP area because it's a VIP server. But it really depends on the server. So in my server, they were mostly in VIP and they were coloring their outfits in non-VIP, so they weren't really focusing on grabbing the money. So, okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And keep this in mind, if we reach 100 subscribers in 2 weeks, I will do a part 2 of this video where I do tips. Where I do it in a pro server and do stuff in the pro server when I get enough stars.